Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can download credit report from Experian UK. So let's jump right in. First, visit the Experian UK site and click the Login button located in the top right corner. Once you've signed into your account, you'll need access to the Credit Expert subscription to download your full report. The good news is that Experian offers a 30-day free trial for Credit Expert, which I recommend starting if you're just looking to view or download your report. After activating the trial or completing your subscription, navigate to your dashboard and scroll down to find the section labeled Your Credit Account Summary. In the bottom right corner of this section, you'll see a blue button that says See Your Full Credit Report. Click that. On the next page, you'll see your full credit report overview. Scroll to the bottom again and look for the link that says Need a copy of your credit report. Print or save your credit report. Click this button, and you'll be able to download a PDF version of your report by selecting the download icon in the top right corner. You'll also have the option to print it directly.